Okay guys, let's continue with this Node.js series. And also just a side note, you might want to click on the link so that way you can watch all of these videos in one location, and that way everything will be organized for you. And I have put together a lot of other information that you might find it helpful. So if you want to do that, just click on the link below, and there you'll be finding all of these videos on one page rather than going back and forward. Just a side note. So let's continue on with this series. And here we're going to be installing Node.js in our computer. So what do? You could just Google Node space JS, and this is the website that's going to come up. And then we are going to click on the download button. And from here, you have several different options under the download section. You got the latest, the Windows, Macintosh, and open source. And the current one in here as well. So what they recommend is that you use the latest recommended for most user, because the latest one has some bugs in there that they haven't figured out yet. So my recommendation is go under the latest one. In this case is 6.11.2. And I'm gonna install it for the Windows because that's what I'm using. But if you're using Mac, you can use it for Mac or whatnot. So I'm gonna just click on here, and it's gonna come in here and download it. And it's gonna download. It's not that bad as far as the file size goes. So I'm gonna open this up. Once it becomes open, it'll be here. Come on. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna click run. And this has anything special. You just click next, and off you go. So let's do that. So next, and then this is the directory it's going to install for Windows, but you can obviously change it to have it somewhere else. But I'm just going to leave it to the blank one. And then just click next, install. And this is going to take a few seconds to install, and then we should be all set. All right, so it's finished installing. And depending on your computer speed, it can take up to a minute or two to have it completely install. But once installed, you are all done with this part. And in the next part, we're going to be installing the MongoDB part of it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.